So today, just working on some polished stainless steel step covers that I'm making out of old stainless steel sinks that I acquired. They're about the right size and I only have to cut the one, I think on the one side for the carburetor for the Tomos. So we're gonna, polish this thing up, and as you can see, I already did a little test and seen how it'll come out nice, like a mirror finish. So we're gonna see how good this is gonna look, and yeah, hopefully it looks really good. It's a heck of a lot better than putting wood on it, or I don't know what I was gonna come up with, something painted. But shiny stainless steel step covers sound f***ing way better.
Brushing the protective coating off.
HDS family nih bos.
Of course, another Tomos break.
Alright, so I did a little polish here just to see what it turned out like. Just marking my lines to where I'm going to be cutting. But yeah, it turns out just as nice as inside, so.
And yet another. This bike is just too much fun.
I'm back to just marking my lines on here where I gotta cut, and then cut both sides off of here.
HDS family nih bos.
There we go. Beautiful. Just my two pegs. So what I'm gonna do is have this sit just on there like that. This cover. So then once I get this one figured out, I'll make the other side the same. And I'll just have to cut the front open a little bit for the carb, basically. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. Shit. New step covers for the Tomos. It's pretty sick.